Great, beautiful, blessed, prosperous afternoon, evening of January 23. It's beautiful days, beautiful life with my mug okra coffee. Made by fresh ingredients of pure purple compound, the extra purple okra powder, sap, mangosteen, moringa, spirulina, and our very own best seller, Garcin Cabollo, also known as Fat Burner. Sa gusto magpapatanggal ng bilbil, take mug okra coffee. Well, depends kasi not all body chemistry. May iba nga, mga 1 week or may iba naabot 3 months. Depends kung gaano katagal ang naipon na visceral fat sa tiyan. Pero sa may iba natagalan sa papa-diet or papa-liit ang bilbil. Kasi sa katagalan na kung gaano karami ang naipon na toxins sa bituka ng tao or colon. So, may iba kasi na-encounter namin, isang linggo lang, naging nawala na bilbil. Kasi na-maintain niya at sinunod niya ang tamang process of detoxification and slimming process. So, I have here the open sachet of mug okra coffee and a glass of water. Para mabilis na. Wow. Cheers. Delicious. Mug okra coffee, must try. Comment down below, Carlo Tan, 0921-599-4410. Or maganda dito, not only pangkalusugan, meron din kami pangkabulhayan, or kung gusto maging dealership or mag-avail ng discount, you can chat, leave your name, details for dealership. The number which I gave you is 0921-599-4410. So, kailangan mag-maintain lagi because maganda maging effective kahit na magpalay pa kayo. How much yung palay kayo? 200 kayo babayaran. Ito lang, mura lang. Once nag-dealer na kayo, may discount pa kayo. And not only that, may kasamang negosyo. So, maganda dito talaga kung mag-maintain kayo ng mug okra coffee, follow the tamang procedure, talaga may great result mangyayari. So, thank you, God bless. With my mug okra. Delicious. Afternoon, evening.